How to add hashtags to your YouTube video. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can add hashtags to your YouTube video so that it improves its overall SEO optimization, then this video is for you. So if you want to add hashtags to your YouTube video, you need to follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube Studios. So to open the YouTube Studios, simply click onto your profile picture and then from here choose YouTube Studio. Then once you are inside your YouTube Studio, click onto the content tab at the left, and then from here choose that particular video to which you want to add hashtags. So for example, let's say this particular video right here. So in this case, as you can see that I have already uploaded this video, so what I'm gonna do is simply click onto this pencil details icon. So click here, and then from here you can see that the description tab has been opened. So it's a common practice that we always add the hashtags at the bottom of the description. So here you can see here my description ends, so what I'm gonna do is leave up some space and then copy in my hashtags which are relevant to my videos. So I have already copied the hashtag, so here you can see that I have pasted them in here, and here you can see that the hashtag has been added. So the next thing you need to do is simply click onto the save button at the top right corner, and once you will do that, you can see that the changes have been saved. So let's see if these have been applied to the original description in a video or not. So let's click onto the view on YouTube button,
In my view.
and if I open up its description, you can see that the hashtags are successfully added to our video in YouTube. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.